What's up, y'all? If you're wondering what's for dinner, we're eating vegan Popeyes fried chicken, and we're having fried okra and our homemade french fries. So if you're wondering about the homemade french fries, go ahead and look at that video, the best vegan, better than McDonald's fries video, and you'll see how we make our best homemade french fries. All right, y'all, dinner is ready. So we have our fries. I'm gonna show you this okra. Look at this. I'm gonna bite it so you can see how it looks on the inside. You hear that crunch? It tastes so good. Y'all, I wish you was here so you can smell. This kitchen smells so good. This is one of the small mushrooms. I'm gonna bite it. Yeah, you hear the crunch? Oh, this is so delicious. So this is what's for dinner. And our fries, look at this. Look, y'all, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do so. Hit that bell to be notified. I'm gonna do you a close look before I let you go. Look at this. Yum. Alright, so I hope that you're able to make you some of this Popeyes vegan fried chicken with the fried okra and the fries. If so, leave a comment down below. If not, still leave a comment down below. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and eat my dinner before it gets cold, and I will talk to you later. Peace.